Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the strategy I always use to make $100 every day in the forex market. As you all know, forex market is a game of risk. You could either win or lose. It all depends on how you could tend to understand the market, the analysis, and also how to go into it. So I've been in the forex market for a couple of years. I know the fundamental and the technical analysis, but this strategy does not really matter if you are actually an expert in forex trading. As far as you're following the strategy systematically, you rest assured you could make even more than $100 every day. There are 3 steps you have to follow. The first step is you identifying the platform you want to trade with. Secondly, you trying to set up the indicators, and thirdly, you trying to spot out how you could enter into the market. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your tradingview.com/charts. I'm going to drop the link in the description that could actually bring you down to this particular page. But before that, you need to have a broker. If you're yet to understand how the forex market works, do ensure you watch the video that is displayed on the screen, or you check the video link in the description. What you have to do there is that you need to choose a broker. In that video, it tells you how you can choose the best broker and also how you can identify the best platform you should trade on. So choosing the best broker enables you to trade in the forex market, and also identifying the platform you're going to trade with or you're going to trade on is actually an avenue for you to have a smooth transition of trading. Just try to watch that video. I'm very sure you're going to get an insight of how you could get ready as a forex trader. So what I'm going to do right here is to come over to this area and try to come over right to forex. So when you come over right to forex, you could just try to delete that, and you see various currency pairs on forex. I hope you're getting it. So as for me, I'm going to be trading gold, which is also known as XAUUSD. That is actually the name of the coin. So right away, I'm going to just click on enter, and it's going to bring me down right here. I hope you're getting it right. So after bringing me right here, what I'm going to do is to ensure that I'm going to be using a 15-minute scalping strategy. I hope you're getting it right. So after that, I'm going to come over to the indicators right here. I'll come over to the technical. Now the first indicator I'm going to be using for this trading today is UT alert. So right away you could actually see it right here. So what you're going to do is just to click on the UT alert. So what this indicators tends to tell you is to shows you when to buy and when to sell. I hope you're getting it right. So I'm going to show you through how it's going to work, but let's try to check another indicator we're going to be using. The next indicator we're going to be using is called QQEMT4. QQEMT4. So right here, this is actually the indicator right here. We're just going to click on it. When we click on it, then we turn it off that way. So right here we have something like this. This strategy is very much simple. Whenever trading bot tends to indicate for you to sell or for you to buy, all you just have to know is that you come over right to this QQEMT4 to know whether to actually affirm into this particular market or not. Now make known to you that this red actually means sell, while this yellow means buy. So whenever this red tends to cross this yellow, it means that you are actually fit for you to sell into the market. But whenever this yellow tends to cross this red, it actually indicates that you are fit for you to go into the market and buy. I hope you're getting it right. Now look at this very critically. When it actually indicates buy right here, and you could actually see it right here that this yellow tends to cross this red, that shows that there is an affirmation that you can actually go into the market. The same thing we have right here. When it actually shows that we should sell right here, you could discover that this red tends to cross this yellow, and it actually comes to take over at the top right here. That shows an affirmation that you can actually go into the market and sell into the market. I hope it's pretty very clear to you. To make it much more clearer, I'm going to go into the market, analyze the market, and also shows you how you can go about it. So guys, I tend to find a very good moment right here. So right here my UTB tends to indicate that I should buy right here. And if you could actually come over right here and see this, you could see that this yellow line is actually crossing the red line, which gives me an affirmation that yes, this trade could actually go as it is planned. So what I'm going to just do in order to be in the safer side is I'm going to ensure I measure my support and my resistance levels. What I'm going to just do is come over right here and just try to measure my support and resistance level. So now to do that, I'll just take this, I'll try to place it right here. If you place it right here, that is very much okay. This actually serves as your support level. So right away I'm going to mark out my resistance level. Support level means where if it actually pulls down, it actually means this is actually the support level, and if it's actually coming over right here into the top, that's actually the resistance level. So what I'm going to just do is to come over right here and tends to duplicate this, come over right here and clone it. So I'll just put this right here. We actually see that when the market tends to go up and down, previously it actually hit this area right here and also pulls up. If you look at this area, this is where it always pulls up into. So now for us to be on the safer side, we could just take our take profit right here. So when we place our take profit right here, we can now tend to enter into the market. But before we enter into the market, we could just, in order for us to be on a very good side, you have to place our take profit and our stop loss, so that whenever the market goes against us, it will definitely not going to be an adversary to us. So what we're going to do is to come over right here and actually place on long, because you are buying, that means you are longing. So what we're going to just do is just to measure it this way. Measuring it in that way, you just have to bring this up right here. So your stop loss should actually be placed right here. Just place your stop loss right here. So when it actually hits this area, the market should actually close if the market goes against you. So our take profit, we're going to place our take profit right here. I hope you're getting it right. So right here we have 1:3 of this particular trade. So what we're just going to do is to just watch out and see how the trade goes, if it's going to go for us or against us. So right here you could actually see that the trade went in our favors. So right here you can see it tends to tell us to buy right here, and we have a confirmation right here, and we tend to place our stop loss right here and also our take profit right here. So far the trade tends to go straight up. So if you are able to stake the trade right here, and maybe you actually choose possibly 0.05 lot size, and you have the trade right here, definitely you're going to make up to like $100 or more than $100. In order for you to understand better, I'm going to go into the market and analyze other pairs so that you can actually see that this strategy are really working well. Right away I'm actually trading on USDJPY. It's actually a currency. What you have to do is just come over right here, and I'll come over to Forex, and then I'm going to just choose it right there, or possibly I could just try to just look for it, which is actually right here. So when I get a good moment, I'll come back and explain to you how I enter the trade and also how I make money from the trade. So guys, we have another great moment right here. So right here it actually indicates that we should actually sell. Also, if you come over to our QQEMT for right here, you can see that the red line is actually crossing the yellow line, which actually confirms that this trade will definitely come into play. So all I just want you to know is that whenever it actually signifies sell, you don't just go into the market and sell. Try to come over right here and see the confirmation right here. So if it actually asks you to sell, definitely the red bar right here should be crossing the yellow bar right here. I hope you're getting it right. And what I'm going to do right here is to go into the trade, but before that I have to start what is called risk management. Firstly, I have to set up my support and resistance, and also to take a possible take profit and stop loss if the market may go against me. So what I'm just going to do right here is to come over and take this line right here. So I could actually discover that whenever the market is going up and going down, this is actually the last place the market tends to hit. So right here, this will serve as my support area right here. So I'll make my support area right here. So when you also look at this area, you could discover that the market, whenever it pulls up, it tends to hit these areas and pull back. So what I'm going to do is just to come over right here and take this line again and try to just measure this area as my resistance area. So the next thing I'm going to do right away, I'm going to short because I'm selling. I'll come over right here and click right here, and I'm going to click on short. So what I'm going to just do right here is to just try to take my profit down here. That means if the market hit this area, it should take profit and it should close the market. And right here, I'm going to just place my stop loss right here. I'm just going to move my stop loss right here. I'm just definitely going to move my stop loss right here and right here exclusive. So whenever if the market goes against me, I have no much to lose. I hope you get what I'm trying to say, right? So what I'm just going to do is to just watch out to see what the market tends to be. So far you could actually see that the market tends to go in line with how we analyze the market to be. If you look at the market so far, the market tends to go more far. I hope you're getting it right. So this is actually a quick scalping method. Whenever you are trading this type of market, you ensure you are ready to dedicate 15 minutes of your time to go into this market. So if the market is actually going in your favor, and even more than you hitting your take profit, you can still ensure you extend your take profit down to this area. So if you are able to extend your take profit down to this area, I'm very sure if you put on $200 and you're actually using a lot size of 0.05, definitely you'd have made up to $100 right here. If you don't still understand it better, I'm still going to give you one more example for you to know how to trade this particular strategy. I'll go into the market right away, analyze the currency pairs, and shows you how I go about it. Right here we have another opportunity. Our UT tends to indicate that we should buy right here, and also our QQE MT4 also indicate that yes, this is actually the right time for us to buy, because line tends to cross on the red line. So this is actually a strong indication that this market will definitely go up. So what we're going to do right here is to actually set our support and our resistance here. In order to do that, we're going to come over right here and take our trend. So we just have to take it this way. When you look at it right here, anytime the market goes up and goes down, it tends to just come around this area before it pulls up again. So our resistance here, we're going to place our resistance around this area because of this particular confirmation we have right here. So we're going to just place it around this area. So the next thing again we're going to do is to ensure we do more of risk management, that is setting up our take profit and our stop loss. So we'll come over right here and choose a long, because we're actually buying in this market. So right here we're just going to place our stop loss right here. You just have to just place our stop loss right here. So if the market is actually going against us, we shouldn't lose more than this area. I hope you're getting it right. So our take profit, we're just going to place it right here. So this is actually 1:3. That means we're actually using 1% of our capital to make 3 times of the market profits. So what we have to just do is to just wait and see how the market goes. So right here you can actually see that we hit our take profit right here. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this strategy is actually working. I've tested it a lot of time and it has given me 99% accuracy. I've made a lot of money using this strategy. If I don't just want to stress myself to analyze the market, I'll just use this particular strategy to make my ends meet out of the market. So guys, you can try to test it either on your demo account or on a real account for you to actually see if it also works. If you have any question, do ensure you drop it in the comment section, or if you think you love this video and you really want to be notified on this type of videos, do ensure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Till I see you again in another video, ensure you have a lovely time ahead and ensure you have the mindset of making money. Bye for now.